You guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Walmart. It has been a while since we've been here, but we got some really good rebates that I want to do. So we're about to get into some all digital Walmart deals. So as far as my weekend warrior bonus, I have $1 for 5 offers. So we will definitely knock that out in today's video. $1 is not much, but $1 is better than no dollars. So we will definitely get that done. So y'all know how I do. We're not going to waste any time in today's video. Let's get started with these deals. On the Finish Quantum. So these are $4.94 each. We're going to get the 15 count. So two of them are going to total me up to $9.88. I'm going to get back $5 from Ibotta, and then I'm also going to get back $3.50 from the coupons app for both of these. Going to make my final cost for 2 bags $138 or 69 cents each. The next item I'm going to be grabbing is the game Power Blast. These are $3.44 each. I'm going to submit back for $3.99 on 2 on Ibotta. Going to make the final cost on these just $1.44 each. Next day we're grabbing is on the Airwick Vibrant. So these are at $6.98. We're going to submit back for $4 on Ibotta plus $4 on the coupons app. You also have this probably on Alexa or ShopMeum. That is going to make our final cost for this not only free, but $1.02 moneymaker. Another Airwick freebie I'm going to grab is on the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits. I'm going to get the linen and petals. These smell so good. So these are $11.98. I have $6 back on the coupons app. Now this is no longer available if you haven't already downloaded it, and it expires on 3/11. So you want to move fast on this one. And then we also have $6 back on Ibotta. That gives us $12 in cash back, making this baby completely free. I'm also going to grab 2 of the refills while I'm at it since I like this scent so much. So these are $11.96 for 2 since they're $5.98 each. I'm going to submit back to Ibotta for $1.50 on each one. And I'm going to submit over to the coupons app for $6 in cash back on 2. I'm gonna make my final cost $1.48 each. All right, you guys, so next thing we're gonna grab is on the Lysol. Now this deal would be much cheaper if I grab the Lysol wipes instead of the all-purpose spray, but we will use the all-purpose spray faster than the wipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. So these are the big 32-ounce bottles. They are $3.97. I got $1 off of 2 digital coupon on the coupons app. I'm sure we also have the same thing on ShopMeum and Alexa. And then we also have a deal on Ibotta that we're going to submit back for. And then to complete my Lysol deal, I am going to grab one of these Lysol toilet bowl cleaners. These are $2.67. All right, you guys, so this totals up to $6.64. I'm going to submit back to the coupons app. We have $1 back there. Then I'm going to get $1.50 back bonus from Ibotta for picking up 2. And then I also have 75 cents in actual rebates from Ibotta. So we're going to get that back as well. That's going to bring my final cost down to $3.39 for both of these. That makes these just $1.69 each, which is not a bad price for these products. Next that we're going to grab is a nice deal on that Children's Astapro Allergy Mist. So these are $14.98, and then we're going to submit back for 3 different offers. We got $5 back on the coupons app, or you can also submit back on Alexa or ShopMeum. We have $8 back on Fetch Rewards, and we have $4 back on Ibotta. Gonna make this baby not only free, but a $2 money maker. Next that we're grabbing is an easy freebie on the Big Easy Rinse razors. So these babies are $6.92, but we have $2 back on coupons, and we also have the free offer on Ibotta, which will make these $2 in cash profit. All right, you guys, so I am in my feelings because I had a shop kick offer for this Axe body wash and some other Axe products that was on my account as I was coming to the store, but now it is gone. So I'm going to be submitting back to only Ibotta for these products, and I'm also going to submit back to Fetch Rewards. I'm going to get a total of 4 of them. So these are $5.97, and on Ibotta, I do have $3 in cash back, with a limit of 5. And I also have a similar fetch offer. I have $2 in cash back. So for each bottle, I will get back $5, making these only 97 cents. With the Shopkick offer, they would have been super free, but I'll take 97 cents for these because my son rolls through so much body wash. If that is your favorite body wash, you can grab one of these big 30.6-ounce bottles. Right now, these are $8.97. I have $3 back on Shopkick, so it's 750 kicks. And then we also have $3 back on Ibotta, so that'll give you $6 back, making your final cost for this just $2.97. The next item I'm gonna grab is this Gatorade Fast Switch. So these look like they are $2.58. I need to do a price check because Ibotta is giving back $2.18, which will make these 40 cents if they are $2.58. No, they are actually $2.18. I just scanned it with the Walmart app, so these should be completely free after the rebate. So there was a bunch of markdowns in the condiment section. If you are really into condiments like I am, then definitely make sure that you check this aisle. One thing that I did decide to pick up for sure, I decided to try this steak sauce because it was super cheap. And then I also decided to grab these Hellmann's light mayonnaise. So these were on clearance for $1.59. I have a $1 hang tag coupon, so it'll make these just 59 cents. And at another Walmart that I went to, they also had some $1 peelies, so be on the lookout for those as well. Now let's talk about this deal on the Betty Crocker. This is the Cinnamon Toast Crunch variety. You can pick up the cake mix and the frosting for super cheap this week if you need it. So the cake mix is $2.34, the frosting is $2.38. That'll total you up to $4.72. Then you can submit over to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each one. And we also have a bonus when you buy two, so you'll get an additional 50 cents there. And you can also get back $1 for each product on Fetch Rewards. That's going to make your final cost for each one of these just 61 cents or $1.22 for both. I'm going to pass on this deal because I already grabbed these for completely free from Publix. The next thing I'm going to be grabbing is on the Kodiak Power Waffles. So this is an item that's pretty pricey, but it's a personal item that I want that I would pick up anyway. So I decided to go on ahead and get some good savings on it. So these are $6.28 each. I'm going to be buying the fluffy ones, and you can also pick up the regular ones for $5.48. Picking up two of the $6.28, you probably get the best value. That'll take you up to $12.56 for both of them, but then you can get back a total of $2.60 from Fetch Rewards. You get back $2 from Ibotta, $1 on each box, and then I'm also going to submit to the Coupons app and ShopMe'em for $1 on each box as well. So that'll bring my final cost to $2.98 each, which is a good price considering they're normally $6.28. This next deal I thought was going to be a freebie, but I ended up having to return this. This is one of the reasons why I always submit all of my rebates while I'm still at the store, because I was going to get a freebie on these cauliflower meals. These are $7.98 each, and then we had $7.98 back from Ibotta and then $8 back from Checkout 51. Well, when I got out to the car, the $8 was gone from Checkout 51, so I did run these back into the store. The next deal I thought about getting, but I've already used my $3 rebate from the Coupons app, so I'm not going to get it. It's on the Colgate Optic White Pro Series. So these are on clearance for $5.58 at my store. This is the Enamel Strength. So with that $3 coupons rebate and the $3 back on Ibotta, this would be free. But since I only have the $1 Colgate rebate left, I'm not going to. All right, you guys. So I decided to check BrickSeek before I left the store, and I saw that these Lysol wipes right here are on clearance for $1.82 at a lot of stores. And I came over here, I ran over here when I saw that, and all of them were cleared. All that was left was these babies right here that are not on clearance, the ones that are like multi-scented. But then I looked in the back to see if any of these were possibly stuffed in with these, and they were. And I found one pack left, y'all. One pack left. This is a 3-pack for $1.82, and this will count for our rebates. So I'm going to add this in with the other Lysol items that I'm already getting. You guys, this should be a really good situation. And here is the barcode for this Lysol that is on clearance. Remember, with clearance, not all stores will be marked down for this price, but you definitely want to check and see. And what I didn't know while I was filming this is with the Ibotta bonuses on the Lysol, if you buy 3 products, you actually get the $1.50 bonus plus the $2 bonus. So it's actually $3.50 additional on those 3 Lysol products. So because I picked up these clearance Lysol wipes, these were completely free with that additional bonus and the 75-cent rebate. All right, you guys, so this is my complete Walmart haul for today, you guys. I am super pleased with the items that we are getting. We got a lot of cleaning products. We are getting stocked up on the Airwick. We got some good food items, and we got the Axe. We got our Astor Pro that we're going to be getting. I'm excited about that too because I need it for me. So let's go up and check out. I'm going to be doing 3 different transactions. I'm going to split these up because I have double Ibotta deals that I'm going to be doing. So I'll do it on my husband's account and then on my account. So we'll split that up. And then I'm also going to do my clearance mayonnaise and stuff separately so that I won't be using any paper coupons in my rebate deals. I'll just be grabbing that mayo with those hang tags that I have. All right, you guys, so let's go over my transactions. They almost worked out perfectly, but I did have one little hiccup and I'll show that to you. So in my first transaction, I just got a smaller transaction. So I got the Airwick kit, I got the Airwick Vibrant, then I also got 2 of the Gain dish soaps. I got the Astor Pro, the Big Shaver, and then I also got the Gatorade. Subtotal for those little few items came up to $49.92, and then I got back $27.19 from Ibotta, $17 back from the coupons app, and $8.27 back from Fetch. Made that free plus a $2.54 moneymaker. My next transaction was a huge transaction. That is where I got everything else, and that is where I also had to make a return. So I got the Gain, the Astor Pro, the Axe, the Gatorade, the Big Shavers, all of the Airwick products, the Finish, the Lysol products, the Kodiak, and the cauliflower. So the cauliflower, I hope, is that how you say it? The cauliflower, whatever, cauliflower is what I had to return. So those were $7.98 each, and Ibotta went through fine, but when I went over to checkout 51, the rebate was gone. So while I was shopping, that rebate was on my list, in the store, clipped, whatever. As I got outside, that rebate was gone. So I actually walked those right on back into customer service, and I got a refund for that. And because of that, Ibotta also, of course, reversed the $7.98 that I got back for that as well, which was no big deal. So after I spent out $131.82 subtotal, I got back the $15.96 refund. I got back $55.19 after that refund, after that reversal from Ibotta. I got back $29 from coupons, $19.14 from Fetch, and then I'm getting back $1 from ShopMium for the second Kodiak waffles that I bought. So total cash back from that deal was $120.29, making my final cost for that transaction $11.53. Final total for this entire basket is only $8.99, and I think that's pretty awesome considering that we really only used Ibotta, the coupons app, and Fetch Rewards. So very, very clean, no paper coupon to use except for the clearance. I did grab those clearance mayonnaise. Those worked out perfectly. Those were 59 cents each after those hang tag coupons, but no insert coupons used in this haul. And I think this is a pretty good deal for $8.99. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video. And as always, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.